Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we're all about helping you build better projects with smarter tools and techniques. Today, we're doing something special. A curated list of 10 absolute must-haves for your workshop. Some are power tools, some are game-changing accessories, and a couple might just save your sanity. Let's start with number 1. Number 1. Milescraft 1348 DrillMate Pro. Tired of wobbly holes ruining your projects? The DrillMate Pro transforms your handheld drill into a precision powerhouse. Its heavy-duty all-metal construction and massive half-inch keyed chuck tackle the toughest jobs without flexing. With infinite angle adjustments from 0 degrees to 60 degrees, you can drill perfect pocket holes, dowel joints, or angled entries on any surface. The dual spring design eliminates the plunge effect, giving you smooth, balanced control like a floor standing press. Need to drill into round stock like pipes or dowels? The built-in V-groove holds them rock steady. An independent depth stop and centering pins guarantee repeatable accuracy every single time. Whether you're building cabinets or installing hardware, this jig delivers professional results without the shop footprint. Number 2. ToughBuilt Folding Sawhorse. This is not your average sawhorse. The ToughBuilt Folding Sawhorse is built from 100% high-grade steel with a corrosion-resistant finish, making it incredibly strong and long-lasting. Each unit supports up to 1,100 pounds, and a pair holds 2,200 pounds total. That means you can safely stack heavy lumber, plywood sheets, or even use it as a temporary workbench without worry. The design works as both a rugged sawhorse and a stable work table, perfect for carpentry, framing, cutting, and assembly tasks. The legs adjust to uneven ground in seconds, so you never fight a rocking surface again. When you're done, it folds flat with a built-in carry handle for easy storage and transport. It sets up instantly and stays rock solid, giving you the stability you need to work faster and safer. This is the ultimate foundation for any project, whether on the job site or in your home garage. Number 3. JessEm 04301 Clear Cut TS Stock Guides. This is the single best upgrade you can make to your table saw. The JessEm Clear Cut Stock Guides are engineered to keep your material pinned firmly against the fence and the table, eliminating dangerous kickback and wandering. The unique rollers are mounted at an angle to expertly steer your stock toward the fence. Under spring pressure, the roller arms securely hold your workpiece in position, promoting stability throughout the cutting process. The rollers feature one-way bearings that feed the wood forward smoothly, but lock instantly if the wood tries to push backward, acting as a passive safety shield. This guarantees perfectly straight, glue-ready rip cuts without burning or snipe. Installation takes seconds with no permanent modifications. The guides are CNC machined from high-quality 6000 series aluminum and anodized for durability. They slide off when you need the fence clear. If you value accuracy and hate the fear of a kickback, these are non-negotiable. Number 4. Bow Products Ultimate Job Site Saw Extender and Safety Kit. This kit is the ultimate bundle for turning your small portable table saw or contractor saw into a full cabinet saw. The extender fence system extends your work surface with support feeds and clamps, giving you the in-feed and out-feed support that small saws desperately need. The added feather boards maximize safety and assist with precision cuts and smooth feeds. Setup is incredibly fast. The extender fence attaches to or detaches from your existing fence in under 10 seconds. Multiple T-slots run the length of the fence and accept standard T-bolts on the face, top, and back. You can position the extender forward for in-feed control, in back for out-feed control, or center it for balance on both sides of the blade. The kit includes 2 Fence Pro featherboards, 1 portable saw featherboard, 2 feed supports, and 2 T-track clamps. This turns a small job site saw into a real workhorse with cabinet saw performance and safety. Number 5. CC Benchtop Bandsaw for Woodworking. This benchtop bandsaw delivers serious cutting power in a compact footprint. Powered by a 350-watt motor on standard household current, it runs at 900 RPM blade speed for efficient cutting through wood, plastic, and soft metals. The 8-inch throat handles cabinet doors, lumber resawing, and curved cuts in plywood while fitting perfectly on compact workbenches. The cutting height adjusts from 1/8 inch up to 3 1/8 inches without tools, making it ideal for model builders and instrument makers. The work table tilts from 0 to 45 degrees using a rack and pinion adjustment, allowing precise bevel cuts for picture frames and tabletops without flipping your workpiece. The included precision miter gauge locks securely at common angles for professional results. For straight cuts, use the dual-sided fence as a reliable guide. For curves, manually guide your workpiece along your desired path. The heavy-duty 12-inch by 12-inch steel table delivers rock-solid stability with laser-etched measurement grids and a non-slip texture that secures your workpieces.
Number 6. Torak Metal Pegboard Wall Organizer System. If you have plenty of items sitting loose on your workbench, or you're tired of digging around in a small toolbox, this pegboard is the perfect solution. The panels are made of high-quality steel with a powder-coated finish that is sturdy, scratch-resistant, and easy to clean. Unlike old fiberboard pegboards, this metal version will never warp or deteriorate and will hold the weight of all your tools without sagging. It fits all standard 1/8 inch pegboard hooks and accessories with 1-inch spacing, so your old accessories will fit just fine. Rearranging hooks is easy whenever your needs change. Installation is simple with screws and wall anchors included in the package. This system is a great way to clean up a messy workbench and drawer, keeping all your tools organized and accessible. Stop losing your small tools. This product saves your space, time, and money. The package comes with 3 pegboard panels in 106 pieces of accessories in different sizes and shapes to cover every need. The modular design gives you the freedom to position the panels however you want.
Number 7. ToughBuilt Carbide Burr Set with 1/4 inch shank. Whether your job involves precision metalwork, engineering, toolmaking, welding, deburring, jewelry making, or you enjoy various DIY arts and crafts like sculpting, these carbide rotary burrs are exactly what you need for premium results. They are made with premium carbide tungsten steel, a highly durable material guaranteed to withstand the test of time. The double-cut tooth angle prevents chipping, making these superior to any high-speed steel burrs. These rotary cutters include everything you need for cutting, shaping, grinding, polishing, and removing sharp edges. They work with ferrous and non-ferrous metals, wood, plastic, and even stone. Unlike similar products on the market, these die grinder bits provide faster cutting time. They are suitable for cleaning, trimming, veining, weld joints, porting tools, forging, and finishing all kinds of metal and non-metal molds. The set comes in a sturdy storage box for easy transportation and safekeeping. No more misplacing or losing your bits. Keep them accessible and within immediate reach every time you need them. Number 8. Dovaman 15-amp Table Saw. Equipped with a 15-amp motor running on standard household current, this table saw delivers an impressive 5,000 RPM cutting speed for precise high-speed performance. It is versatile enough for various woodworking and DIY projects. The dust separation rate is up to 98%, creating a cleaner and healthier working environment. The back of this dust-free table saw is equipped with a vacuum connector for convenient cleaning. The saw adopts soft start technology, delivering low vibration and controlled startup. This eliminates jerky startup movements, protecting materials from damage while reducing grid load. It enhances operational safety and extends the service life of the saw, making it perfect for demanding precision cutting tasks. This mini table saw features a sturdy cutting depth of 60 mm at 90 degrees and a 40 mm bevel cutting depth at 45 degrees. The adjustable bevel stop enables accurate cutting from 0 to 45 degrees. It comes fitted with a 216mm carbide tipped saw blade with 60 teeth, consistently delivering smooth and precise cutting results. An extendable side work plate expands the cutting surface from 48 centimeters to 80 centimeters, meeting your processing demands for large-size materials. Number 9. Fanttik Rex K2 Apex Impact Driver. This impact driver features a brushless motor that delivers maximum 100 Newton-meters of torque in 3,000 RPM in a compact 5.3-inch body. It is perfect for cabinet assembly, woodcraft, and tight-space DIY projects with powerful yet portable performance. The intuitive dual screens show battery level, torque setting, and driving direction. You adjust torque settings with a knob and use an electronic switch for direction and lock, making operation error-proof and simple. This cordless impact driver features 5 torque settings from 20 to 100 Newton-meters in an auto-assist self-stop mode. Easily select the right torque for different scenarios. Even beginners can operate with one touch without worrying about damaging materials or over-tightening screws. The small impact driver comes with a storage case in 12 common impact bits for convenient daily tasks. It keeps the tool and bits within easy reach, improves efficiency, and maintains a tidy workspace. The 3,000 mAh high-capacity battery can assemble 4 to 6 pieces of flat-pack furniture or tighten up to 210 M4 screws on a full charge. Type-C fast charging lets you top up anytime for efficient DIY work. Number 10. O-School Self-Centering Steel Spline Jig for Trim Routers. When large furniture assemblies are difficult to handle on a table saw, this jig lets you bring the trim router directly to the workpiece. It is best suited for larger furniture corners, frames, boxes, and cabinetry projects. Cutting spline joints freehand can easily drift off the center line. The self-centering guide bars automatically position the trim router over the workpiece center, reducing setup guesswork and helping produce centered, consistent spline slots on mitered woodworking joints. Built with a steel body and black ED coating, this spline jig provides a rigid, stable platform for routing spline slots. The solid structure helps reduce movement during the cut and supports repeated use in your workshop. It fits trim routers up to 4.17 inches in base diameter. For trim routers within this size range, no custom router base plate is required. Simply adjust the guide bars, lock the setting, and reuse the same setup. Front and rear lateral position indicators help line up the jig with your spline center lines, while non-slip pads on the stock rests help keep the jig steady during routing. After initial setup and alignment, the jig supports cleaner, more repeatable spline cuts for professional-looking results.